Hi, let's clean the shop before everything else happens today. Fingers crossed everything happens today. I need it to be busy. So first up, sip of coffee. Because it's time to mop. I have just vacuumed. Done. Okay, so now I'm down the back section of the shop and I'm just about to start on the orders when a lovely customer, Anne, who's downsizing, came and just dropped off 1, 2, 3 boxes of vintage finds as a donation, as well as, let's see this, got to see if it's close door again. No, it doesn't want to close. Look at this. In the most beautiful timber box. So, my work's cut out for me now to have a look what's inside some of these boxes. This one says glassware. So I'll go through, and she's amazing like that because she doesn't care if I say, oh, look at that, that's pretty. I'm just trying to have a look and see if I can tell what's in here quickly to show you anything. Let's unwrap one item, okay? I have no idea what's in here. And Anne's not precious. If I don't want it, she doesn't mind if I take it to Salvo's. Okay, what's that? Looks like marble or glass or something. I don't know what this is. Oh, so sweet. This one's Harrods. Look at that. Oh, that's adorable. Look at this one. This one is Shelley in England. Oh, that's so sweet. I love little plates. What else we got here? Little rose. This is Wedgwood. Oh my God. Do you want me to open one more thing? Let's do it. Let's have a look what she's got here. So Anne is moving to Queensland to be in a granny flat with her daughter, with her husband. Oh my gosh. It's a little toast rack. Look at those colours. This is Royal Winton tartans. That's so cute. Anyway, I'll better get onto this because I've got a bit to do, because I want to slow stitch and I want to show you what I'm up to. Okay, one more thing. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Oh, I love it. Okay, time to work. Okay, I accidentally opened one more thing, so I have to show you. Look at the top. Japanese. And on there, and you can see the little ducks. Oh my gosh, so sweet. Oh my God, Anne, thank you. Oh my gosh, I'm lost for words. This is beautiful. Oh, I'm trying to stop and do my orders, but look. It's Wedgwood. Stunning. Wow. And then another piece of Wedgwood. This is incredible. Is it marked? Is it Wedgwood? Yeah, it is. I don't know if you can see it. It's quite small there at the top. Wow. Thank you so much, Anne. I'm lost for words. More. So I don't know if this is silver. I do have some of her pieces out the back, which I haven't listed yet, which are silver. And it has 950 stamped on the back. So tell me, is that silver? I can't read it. Hard Brothers Limited. It's got some numbers stamped all over it. Just amazing. And also a set of these with sweet flowers. So, as well as being a designer, I have a shop full of vintage finds, and occasionally I have these beautiful people that donate things. Oh, far out. I've just opened the glass box, and she's got a ton of these, which, you know, there's nothing special about glasses, but I want to do workshops, so this is great. There's about 20 of those. And then in glass was things like this. I don't know how to find a maker's mark or what happens here. I probably need to look carefully at that. I don't know if I can see anything. That's like a blue-green one. I don't know if that's like a particular designer. Oh my God, look at that one. Stunning. It's heavy. Wow. Okay, so just doing all the orders finally. This one had, I won't show you too much, but it had a handwritten message, and she's also got a t-shirt. So our t-shirts are made by our manufacturer and shipped directly to the customer. So the other goodies was a tea towel and a badge, Magpie Talk tea towel and a Work AF badge. So this customer or this recipient will be getting 2 cute parcels, one from us, and the t-shirt will come separately. So I've just let them know that. Oh, and I've got a bit of a frog in my throat. So this is all ready to go. Tim Tam and the card. Oops. Stick that on. Oh, excuse me. Ready. This order is just 3 of my Jacinda Ardern cards, and this one's going to New Zealand. This person has picked my ephemera panel. It's got like bugs and snails and sort of vintagey bits and pieces. There's a snail. And my Magpie Talk tea towel, so that's going out today too. I've almost done all of the orders. Whew. Okay, we have to get a tea towel for a customer. She's picked out the kookaburra one I've designed and Crafty Biatch. It's the old Perkins Paste style one, and I think she's got one more. Okay, the next order is this cockatoo hook and 2 of the vintage ephemera fabric packs for all your crafting needs. Yes, I'm doing things like this now. Hi, okay, so it's 4:30, a bit later in the day. I didn't get a chance to do any of my stitching at all. It was fairly busy. It was a great day, and I had some incredible donations, so I'm very, very thrilled, as well as a donation of bits and pieces. Look at all this. So I thought I'd show you some of it. This is like a cotton, it's a crunchy cotton. So this is after I was donated all these other beautiful things. Penny came in with all this stuff. It's velvet. It must be an animal collar or something for Christmas. And this, she said, was off something European, I'm not sure, but off a pair of boys' shorts. Isn't that divine? And so I'm very happy. So lots and lots like this, all this great stuff. But I thought I'd show you where I was up to in some of the stitching I am planning to do. I got some of these too, so really beautiful scarves, and I'm thinking how to use them on a bag or something like that. They're very, very pretty. Very girly, like much more girly than what I would normally be, but really sweet. So I'll have a think about that. But I thought I'd show you what I'm up to on my slow stitching. Might swing this around a bit. I'm just sitting in the shop. Everything's closed now. Sorry, I'll spin you around. just made all this mess with this stuff. So this is the bag I'm still working on. This was a canvas tote bag, a Vinnie's bag. So some bits of DePaul for, oh, and I just dropped my tea everywhere. That's good. I'll just put that into the bin. Oh my God. Oh, anyway, I'm gonna keep going because I'll never finish. And it's herbal tea, don't worry. It doesn't have all the milk in it. So this is the bag. I've got to do the sides now, these panels, but I've got to stitch those down. And then probably put an interior in there and do something with the straps. But I wanted to have this to kind of carry some of my projects around when I'm going to and from work. It's just a great size. It might end up being a good sort of everyday tote, but it's coming together. There's a lot in it, but there's a lot more to go. I do like having several projects on the go at once too, I've noticed. I'm not someone that starts to finish. I get frazzled at myself for having too many things on the go, but I do like working on, you know, bits and pieces. So that's just the way it is. I brought all these up because we've got our fabric bowl workshop next week. So I'm still building bit by bit lots of fabric bowls. This one is still not finished. That's my latest one. That's just on the outside now. The inside's finished. The ladybug. I'm just going to baste it with that and then do a contrast stitch like that all over. And these are, I quite like having a variety of them because you can really see how different the finish of each one is. It's like depending even on the base I've used. I was going to try one with blanket. These are those sort of cotton quilts you get. Oh, what a mess. And this, I've got to use this. This is a bit of Liberty fabric off a little girl's dress. That's the sleeve. I'm just trying to work out how to use that little ruffle sleeve somewhere. But on this bag, I do have a bit more of the front of the dress and left some of the detail off the side, which I'll stitch down. And then this morning I woke up thinking, I don't know why, I just needed to have another project because I'm still working on the Woke jacket, which is the denim jacket. I hope I've shown you that. I don't know if I have yet. I will have to otherwise. And I thought, let's do, so we've got half finished bits everywhere, a lovely wool pouch in warm, pinky warm tones. I've got this great blanket here and an orange check. And then I'm just starting to add bits of embroidery and flowers and things. I've left the satin on the bottom and then nothing on the back yet. And I've just sewn the sides but not the bottom. I thought I'll decide what sort of style I want on that later and how to close it. I'm tempted to leave these up tonight. Bring you back to me. I have to keep remembering to look on the side of my phone too, not in the middle, because otherwise it looks like I'm not looking at you. I'm tempted to leave these here tonight to come to work tomorrow. I'm working tomorrow and Sunday here, and that way I'll be ready to go, whereas today I didn't have a chance to do one project, so that's where I'm at. The shop's looking amazing. This big work table is set up now to host workshops. I don't know if you can see everything. This is a vintage suitcase I need to close. It looks messier than what it is because I just pulled all that out. And then I'm going through just looking at these beautiful donations I got today. I'm kind of tempted to keep that one and have fresh flowers sitting here on my desk. That would be so much fun. Anyway, that's it for me. I'll check in later, I think, but thank you for following me on YouTube, and please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and see my crazy world of running a small business, living in a tiny village like Mount Victoria at the top of the Blue Mountains. We're 2 hours west of Sydney, and running this, running a household, wanting to stitch, designing products for my shop. I don't know if you can see in the background all my tea towels and things, fabrics and more. See ya.